Hey, all you cool hawks and Nayas. Thanks for being here. Today we will be showing you how we will be using Google Meet with nicknames. We will no longer be using live links. So when you log in to Schoology, your teacher will give you a nickname. You will also have a link that sends you directly to that website where you enter the certain nickname that your teacher sent you. So all you have to do is click on whichever session you're attending, either the morning or the afternoon. Click on the session once more, and it takes you straight to meet.google.com. From here, guys, it is so easy. All you have to do is click join or start a meeting, enter the nickname your teacher gave you. So for us yesterday, it was Diaz Hawks Thursday, and then you join. You will be able to join only as long as the teacher has joined. This is for our safety, guys. So when you come in, make sure, very, very important, guys, that we spell the nickname correctly. And after that, you join, and it's just like regular live links. Okay? Told you it was going to be short. Let us know if you have any questions. And go be awesome.